Good morning, dear kids. Today we are continuing with the same topic, that is composite functions. So you have to previously watch my previous video and then jump on to this video. In this video, we'll do one problem, that is your first problem, that is function of x is equal to x square plus 4x for which x belongs to real number and g of x is given as 3x minus 1. Let's see what we can do here. Find the value of k for which equation f of g of x is equal to k has real solutions. Real solutions, my dear kids, you have done this before in your quadratic equation grade 10th, that whenever you have real solution, then the discriminant will be greater than equal to 0. Yes, let's see further what we can do. Now here we have function of g of x. इसका मतलब पहले g of x जो है वो आपको इस function में डालना पड़ेगा. That means you have function of 3x minus 1 is equal to, you have x square plus 4x as this function. You have to put the value of x as this. So 3x minus 1 the whole square plus 4x. Are you getting my point clear? X यहाँ पे भी आपको डालना पड़ेगा. So you have x. So x here also you will put 3x minus 1. Am I clear with this? Yes. And the value of this is given as k. So can I write it k here? Once you solve this, my dear kids, once you open up this bracket, you will get something like this. Once you got this, you have to find the value of k. I'll take this k on this side and it will become 9x square plus 6x minus 3 minus k. Is that clear? And that is, now you have to take this as greater than equal to 0 because it is said that it has real solution. Is that clear, my dear kids? Yes. Further we will do, you have to solve this, and once you solve this, you have to take this as b square minus 4ac is greater than equal to 0. Here this is your a, this is your b, and this will be your c, 3 plus k. Once you put this into this equation, my dear kids, you will get something like this. And from there you will get the value of k, which is greater than equal to minus 4. Is that clear? Okay, can we take our next problem? That is, okay, here we have okay, function of x is equal to k minus 2x. Okay, perfect, we have this. So what we can do, for x belongs to real number g of 2x, find the value of k for which the equation function of g of x is equal to x has two roots. Okay, my dear kids, what we have done here is, you have been given that f of x is this, g of x is this, and you have to you have also been given that f of g of x is equal to x and it has real roots. Let's see what we can do is, you have to find g of x की वैल्यू आपको f of x में डालनी है, because it is f of g of x. तो g of x की वैल्यू function of x में डालनी है, तो मैंने वही डाला, and it is given that f of g of x is equal to x and has equal root. Find the value of k for, okay, I have to write here x. Clear? So I'll get something like this. And that will be, and once you have this, it is said that such kind of function, such kind of equation which you will get will have equal roots. That means discriminant will be equal to 0. Yes, my dear kids, got my point clear? So can we write this equation as equal to 0? And once you got that, you have b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. This is your a, this is your b, and this is your c. From there you have to get the value of k. Can you do that? Okay, our next problem is, let's see what do we have here. We have function of x is 2x square plus 4x minus 8 for x belongs to real and x is greater than equal to k. Express, first you have something like this. So let's see what we can do of this in the form of a x plus b whole square plus c. इसको open करने के लिए, in my previous video also you have seen how do we solve this. 2x square plus 4x minus 8. So how you'll put it, my dear kids? Yes, can we take 2 common? So that will be x square plus 2x minus 4. Yes, then you have to solve this. How you'll solve this? X square plus 2 into x into 1, that will be the middle term, plus 1 square, and here to nullify this I have to put here minus 1. So that will be x plus 1 the whole square minus 4 minus 1 will be minus 5. Are you getting my point clear? And this 2 you have to take it down. Once you got this 2 is with this also. So I'll write it something like this, and this 2 is with this also. So that's my equation in this form. If I want to present this on my graph, how will I present this? For my x square, I know for my x square where my graph comes here, but it is x plus 1, that is towards here I'll go. So my graph will be here, and further it says it goes minus 10, so it will come down here towards minus 10. So my graph will be like this. Okay, now if you can see the graph, which is the least value of k for which the function is 1 1, that means this is the least value. Now for which the function is 1 1, if I draw a parallel line to x axis, अगर ये दो जगह पे कट कर रही है, that means the function has many to one relation. But यहाँ पे एक जगह पे कट कर रही है, तो it is called as 1 to 1 function. So if you want to check from the graph whether your function is many to 1 or 1 to 1, that means you have to draw a line parallel to x-axis. और अगर वो graph पे एक जगह पे कट कर रही है, तो it is called as 1 to 1. If it intersects at 2 points, then it is called as many to 1. Clear? So here is the point on which it intersects at 1 point. This is the least value. So this is the least value. But you want what? This is a k. K is what? Your domain. It's not the range. So ये अगर आप -10 दे रहे हो, तो ये आप रेंज दे रहे हो, तो इसको ऊपर की तरफ लेकर जाओ. यहाँ -1 पे कट हो रहा है, so that is the least value. So answer for this is k. K is -1. So x is greater than equal to -1 when it is getting the least 1 to 1 function. Getting my point clear? Okay, your next problem is, let's see what it says. We have function of x, fx is equal to x square minus 2x plus 4. Okay, and you have to find the set of values of x for which fx is greater than equal to 7. Okay, so shall we start? It is given fx is equal to x square minus 2x plus 4. Okay, first, as we know, how do we do it? We will split it. X square minus 2 into x into 1 plus 4. Sorry, that will be plus 1 plus 4 minus 1. So that will be x minus 1 the whole square plus 3. And it is given that function of x is greater than equal to 7. So can I take x minus 1 the whole square plus 3 greater than equal to 7? From there I'll get x minus 1 the whole square greater than equal to 7 minus 3. That is something like this. Got my point clear? So you got this. Okay. In this form. Okay. Then you have to find the range. For that we need to find the value of x first. Okay. So we'll solve this further. Shall I erase this part? So we'll solve this further. X minus 1 the whole square is greater than equal to 4. So it will be x minus 1 greater than equal to, this square will go here and it will become plus minus 2. Am I correct? अच्छा, ध्यान ये देना है, whenever you have something like this, so it will be x minus 1 greater than equal to plus 2, and it will be x minus 1 less than equal to minus 2. Why? I'll tell you now. If suppose I'm having x square greater than equal to 4, so what you will write, x square is greater than equal to 4 अगर दिया हुआ है तो square will become root, so it will be x square, यहाँ पे प्लस माइनस 2 आ जाएगा. अब ध्यान देना है कि अगर मैं +2 का स्क्वायर कर रही हूँ या उससे ग्रेटर का स्क्वायर कर रही हूँ तो आई गेट द वैल्यू विच इज़ ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 4. यस, मतलब +2 इंटू +2 कर रही हूँ 4, उससे ज़्यादा ले रही हूँ तो ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 4. परफेक्ट आ रहा है. यस, लेकिन अगर नेगेटिव वैल्यू ले रही हूँ, इफ़ आई एम टेकिंग -2, then if I am taking -1, greater value means it will be something like this, so towards your greater side. तो अगर आप इस तरीके से वैल्यू लोगे, अगर आप -2 से भी ग्रेटर करोगे तो यू विल गेट लेस देन 4. सो अगर -2 से ग्रेटर करना है तो -2 से आपको ग्रेटर वैल्यू आएगी तो वो लेस देन 4 आ जाएगी, मतलब आपका इक्वेशन विल नॉट टैली विथ योर वर्किंग्स. सो इन दैट केस यू हैव टू टेक दैट अगर आप x square, I'll erase this part so that I can make it more clear. So अगर आपको x minus 1 the whole square is greater than equal to 4 आ रहा है तो that means x minus 1 अगर आपको greater than equal to 4 चाहिए तो या तो आप +2 से ज़्यादा लोगे या तो -2 से कम लोगे. Yes, got this point clear? Okay, so you got these values as x. So x will be greater than equal to +2 plus 1. That will be x is greater than equal to 3. And solve this. So that is x minus 1 less than equal to -2. X is less than equal to -1. This -1 will go there. So you got two values. Either x is greater than equal to 3 or x is less than equal to -1. Clear? And then you have to find the range. How you will find the range? You can put it in this values. You have to find the range of function. You got the range x key. Clear? Okay. Okay kids, I'll stop it here. God bless.